Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about how to add staff to Setmore. This is a question that I get asked a lot, and I'm happy to share the answer with you. Before we get started, I want to take a moment to thank you for watching my videos. I really appreciate your support, and I'm glad that my content is helping you. Now let's get back to the topic at hand. How do you add staff to Setmore? Answer: there are two ways to add staff to Setmore. Add staff members manually. Import staff members from a CSV file. Add staff members manually. To add staff members manually, simply log in to your Setmore account and click on the Settings tab. Then, click on the Staff tab. From here, you can click on the Add New Staff button. Once you click on the Add New Staff button, you will be asked to enter the staff member's name, email address, and password. You will also be asked to select the staff member's role. Once you have entered all of the required information, click on the Save button. Import staff members from a CSV file. To import staff members from a CSV file, simply log in to your Setmore account and click on the Settings tab. Then, click on the Staff tab. From here, you can click on the Import Staff button. Once you click on the Import Staff button, you will be asked to select a CSV file. The CSV file should contain the following information: staff member's name, staff member's email address, staff member's password, staff member's role. Once you have selected a CSV file, click on the Import button. Additional tips: you can give staff members different permissions within Setmore. For example, you can give staff members permission to create appointments, edit appointments, and delete appointments. You can also set up staff members to receive notifications when new appointments are booked. You can also set up staff members to be able to see each other's schedules. I hope this video has helped you learn how to add staff to Setmore. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.